Caves often provide habitat for threatened or endangered animals. Today I will be talking all about how caves are formed. All types of caves, like land caves, water caves, and ice caves. These caves are all unique in their own way. I'm going to start with how they form. First up, we have land caves. Land caves are formed by the dissolution of limestone. Rainwater picks up carbon dioxide from the air, and as it percolates through the soil, which turns into a weak acid. This slowly dissolves out the limestone along the joints, bedding, planes, and fractures, some of which become enlarged enough to form land caves. Water flow. Water flow in land caves typically flows from the surface downward, through cracks and joints in the rock, eventually reaching the underground water table. Land cave formations, especially those in limestone regoliths, are primarily formed by the dissolution of solubles, rocks, limestone by acidic groundwater. However, sea caves are primarily formed by erosion caused by waves. They can be formed along the ocean coast and lake shores, where water impacts bedrock. Most sea caves are formed along weaknesses in the rock, such as faults, fractures, or bedding. Collision planes can occur in nearly every type of rock. Water cave formations are formed through the slow deposition of minerals from water that flows through caves. Last but not least, we have ice caves. Sometimes melting at a margin of a glacier may cause small caves to form within the ice. Between the ice and the sediment beneath it, ice caves can also form, where water exists from beneath the glacier, or where ice flows over a large bump, its bed. Ice cave formations. Ice caves, whether within glaciers or in other geological formations, they're primarily formed through the acetone of melting water and cold temperatures. That is how ice caves